Hello friends, welcome back, and this time we are building Ryzen 7 3800 and with a very cool cabinet from a thermal tech, that is Core P3 TG. Yes, TG is for tempered glass. So this is the cabinet we are having, in which we'll be assembling all these components. So quickly discuss the components what we are using in this build, and let's get started. So for the processor choice, we are using AMD Ryzen 7 3800X processor. And for motherboard, it's MSI X570 Gaming Edge AC Wi-Fi. And there was a scheme going on with this motherboard that you were getting a Cooler Master 240 ml water cooler free. So we'll be using that, but that is yet to be shipped from the company, so we'll be getting it in the scheme, so we'll be installing it at a later time. For PSU, we are using Corsair RM850X, which is 80 plus gold, fully modular SMPS. RAM, for now we are using a single stick, and later on we are going to add one more stick of 16 GB. This is G-Skill Trident Z RAM, and last but not the least, the most powerful 2070 Super from Inno3D. We have already reviewed this card, so if you want, the link is given above in the eye icon and also in the description box, so you can check it out, the review of this with the 3D Mark scores. And for SSD, we are using Samsung 970 EVO M.2 and also a 2 TB hard drive along with all this configuration. So let's get started and build this up. So now I'm tired of this cable management, but we need to do it. We need to do it our best. So friends, that was our build with Ryzen 3800X and 2070 Super from Inno3D. Isn't it a cool looking machine with Core P3 tempered glass? This is a 5mm glass, by the way. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification. Until then, goodbye.